And we are live. What's up, hustlers? It's Paul the Ford Hustler. In this stream, we're going to show you how to pay the Washington State sales tax. Again, I am not a tax professional. You know that. I just want to be real transparent with how to pay it. So we are paying for Q3 from July 1st to September 30. So that's 3 months, July, August, September. So that's 3 months. We're going to pay the state and city local taxes for my Amazon and eBay sales. So let's get on with it. Let me know if you guys can hear me, see me. Okay. All right, so before we got started, it's very important to have spreadsheets of how much you sold in the state of Washington. I live in the state of Washington, so this could be different for your state. Like I said, I'm not a tax professional, so don't quote me on this. This is just my experience. So it's very important to have spreadsheets with how much you're selling in your state, in my case, the state of Washington, and how much you're selling in other states. So I did a little rundown. So for Q3, July, August, September, we sold $1,007 for eBay, and Washington State was $187.71. And for Amazon, we sold $4,597 gross. Okay, and then for eBay, no, for Amazon in state of Washington, we sold, how much did we sell? I don't know. I'm just calculating the numbers. Oh, hey, Tiffany. How you doing? I'm just paying my quarterly taxes for the state of Washington. Thank you so much for the advice on the phone number. I'll definitely get my stuff ready before I call them. Yeah, so my account is currently banned because one of my credit cards was stolen, and that credit card was associated with my Amazon account. And when Amazon saw that it was deactivated, they shut down my whole account. And it's been taking them a while to check my documents, which is kind of frustrating. But thankfully, Tiffany sent me a tip here that to call them through the app. So we'll see if that works. Someone already gave me another number. It was a Seattle number, but it didn't work. So that was frustrating, but we'll see if this works. All right, so let's go on to the Department of Revenue website. Just want to make sure it's, let's see how much we pay in taxes for the state of Washington. Just being real transparent here. And Tiffany says, taxes, no bueno. Yep, it's that time of the year. We'll see how it goes for federal taxes, April. You're welcome, man. Let me know if you need more help. I will. Thank you so much, Tiffany. It's kind of frustrating because, you know, they didn't pay me for last payment schedule, and I had a lot of money that I needed for bills and stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tiffany. All right, so let's get on with it. Just hang out with me. Anyone in the chat who's interested, if you live in Washington, this is how you pay your city, state, business tax. All right, so let's get on with it. I want to make sure I'm not showing anything that doesn't need to be shown. Okay. Oh, hey, what's up, Brandon? How you doing? I'm just paying my Q3 taxes. Did you pay your taxes yet, Brandon? I'm sure you did. Thanks for dropping by. Cool. All right, so we are at the Department of Revenue website. This is the taxes. These are the taxes I'm paying for. business and occupation, retailing, state sales and use, retail sales, and local taxes, local city and county sales tax. So, like I said earlier, it's very important to have spreadsheets and data to see where your items are going. For eBay, it's pretty easy to see that, oh, it's going to the state of Washington. So when I print out a shipping label, it says Washington. I take a note of that on my spreadsheet and I make sure I get the zip code and the 4-digit zip code after the zip code, whatever it's called, because it's a lot more specific. Okay. Brandon, do you remit to all 8 or 9, 11 states that Amazon has to remit to by chance? I know that Amazon collects taxes for the items that I sell in Washington, but I don't know how they're gonna remit that, so I just pay it anyways. I'm not sure. Yeah, because I know that they do, like, I know that they collect it when you sell something in Washington, but I don't know if how they're gonna pay that on my behalf. You know what I mean? Instead of me paying it. But I've paid it. I've been paying it for the past 4 quarters. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know, man. Brandon says, "Yeah, man, I did. They are due on the 20th in Texas." Wow, you live in Texas. That's pretty cool. I want to go to Texas. That's good that you got that figured out. Okay, so let us see. Let's see how much we're gonna pay this time next. Okay, so select taxes. How's your guys' Q4 going along? For me, it's been okay. It's kind of unfortunate that my Amazon account got suspended, but hopefully I can get that back soon and make a comeback. Yeah, let me know, guys. Brandon, Tiffany. All right, so we're gonna go to the first page. It says business and occupation. So what I've been told. So what I've been told is, let me says business and occupation. Oops. Okay. So. Okay. All right. Glad it's working. My bad. So Brandon says Texas is a good place to be in. Sorry if it got suspended. What happened? So like it wasn't recording when I said it, but my bad. But my credit card was stolen, and so I had to deactivate it from the bank. And one of the apparently that same credit card was connected to my Amazon account. So when the bank deactivated the credit card, Amazon deactivated my selling account, for security purposes. And I've been trying to send in my documents, and it's been taking days. It's been a week since uh, this happened, so I'm not able to get my Amazon account back, and I missed a payment, which is big for the bills. So hopefully we can get that soon. But yeah, okay. All right, so the gross amount is $4,597.69. Now we got to deduct how much we sold in the state of Washington. So let me calculate that. So that number, $4,597.69, that is between Amazon and eBay gross everywhere, every single transaction that sold during that 3-month time period. And if you have any questions, call your Department of Revenue. At least mine, they have really good customer service. They're very understanding. And I've been doing this. This is my fifth time. No, this is my fourth time doing this now. So hopefully, let's see how much we're going to pay in taxes for the state of Washington. Okay, so I'm going to figure out how much I sold in the state of Washington between both platforms. So let me calculate that really quick. Gross. So and honestly, I don't think my numbers are that great during that 3-month period. So we gotta keep hustling, It's also important to, document everything and have spreadsheets. All right, so let me calculate how much sold in Washington State alone. So for eBay, we sold, let me see, how much is this? So for eBay, during that 3-month period, we sold $11.25 in the state of Washington. So only one transaction for $11.25. So I'm going to put that aside, $11.25. That is for eBay. It's really good. So all the other sales I had went to different states. So that's pretty good. Okay, now let me calculate how much I sold for Amazon in Washington State. Okay. Calculate this. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 transactions. So I'm gonna add them all up. 7, 29, 9. One, 7. So it's saying I calculated 176.46. That went into Washington State. So these are books, games, CDs, whatever, that sold in Washington State. 187.71. 176.46 plus the $11.25 that went into eBay equals $187.71. So that is how much sold gross. So that includes the shipping. I do free shipping, so everything is should be in that amount. So $187.71 is going to Washington State. So if I can do this correctly, let us do the deductions. It's called interstate deduction. So we're gonna deduct the amount that went out of state. So before that, so our gross is 4,597.69. 4,597.69. 1,000 minus 187.71. So out of state, we sold 4,409.98. Okay, so we're gonna do interstate deductions. Okay, let me get back. Okay, hold on. So let me see if you can see this. So this amount was 4,597.69. That is, if I sold all that in the state of Washington, I'd be paying $21.66 for the tax. But I didn't sell all that amount in the state of Washington, right? I sold $4,409 in the other states. In the state of Washington, I only sold $187, right? So that just shows how much the tax due is with that amount. Let's see how much the tax is for the real amount. Okay. And deductions. Next. So we're going to click next. All right, I'm going to show the next screen to show you how many interstate and foreign sales it is. And like I said, it could be different for your state, but this is the state of Washington. So make sure you call the Department of Revenue for your state. And I think, well, for my state, they charge it quarterly. I'm not sure about your state. So comment down below in the comments what state you're from. And tell me if you pay quarterly taxes. All right. I think this is good to go. Okay, so when you click next, it's going to say add deduction. You're going to click on interstate and foreign sales apportionment. Okay. And since we calculated earlier, $4,409.98 went to out of state. So that's going to be the total deductions of $4,409.98, right? Okay. So we already declared that. Let's move on. So after we did that deduction, taxable amount, $187.71. Just to make sure with my numbers. Yep, $187.71. that is where it needs to be. So the tax due is $12.20. What do you think? Not too bad, right? $12.20. Next, let's click on next. Let's see where this takes us. Next. Oh, okay. Now it takes us to local sales. Oh, wait. Now it takes us to local sales. You need to find where in the world, where in Washington State that item sold. So I have that listed here. You need the zip code and the 4-digit area code. Is that what you call it? So let us fill that out right now. And it should add up to 187.71. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay, so we're going to add locations. So the first, okay. So let's do the eBay one first, okay? We sold $11.25 in the state of Washington for eBay, only one transaction. It went to zip code 98684. So 98684. And then the 4 digits after that, 6741. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Nine eight six 846741. Okay. No, it's been 3 months since I did this last time, so I'm not sure how the we'll figure it out. 6741. Please add locations to file this line code. 98684 6741. Okay. 986 6741. Oh, it says the 0100 6741. I can't 67. Oh, the location code. So I need to find out the location code then. 98. How do I do that? 98684. Location code. Nine eight 0605. So, okay, let me show you. Or is it showing? It's not showing. Hold on. Whoops. Move. Okay, here we are. So you want to click on tax rate lookup, right? And you're going to write down each of the zip codes each item went into. So this is the item for the eBay. We sold $11.25 for this location, 986846741. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and then the taxable amount is $11.25. Search. So how much are we sold in? So the tax due is 95 cents. And what I need is the location code. The location code is 0605. So I'm going to write that down. Okay. $0605. So that's the location code. All right. Location 0605. 0605. Vancouver. So that was Vancouver. Okay, interesting. Nine 98,513. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep. So how many more zip codes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 more zip codes. We need to find the location code for those zip codes. So this is what we do. So I have it all listed down. 98. So we go to the zip code, right? Okay. No, don't worry about the taxable amount. We just want the location codes. So 98513 6204, and then search. All right, location code 3402. Okay, so we're gonna write it all down for each of the zip codes. Let me check the chat real quick. Hey, what's up, Ray, Dustin, Natural Flippers? Howdy, howdy. How you guys doing? How's that new camera you guys have? Awesome. Let us know. Okay, so let's do the next zip code. 98052 4431. Search 1724. So that's the location code. We got it. It was Redmond. 98074 6309. Search 1739. That's the location code. Next, we're gonna do for the month of August. And honestly, this shouldn't take much time as long as you write down the zip codes, how much you sold, and the location codes. I'm doing this pretty much manually. I don't pay for a service. Maybe in the future I will. This is how we do it so far. Okay, 7422, search 1737. Okay, 98607. Yep, taxes are kind of boring stuff. 98607. 9370. Search 0602. Okay. 986867044. 986867044. Search 0666. That's the location code. 06.666. And then 982 This could be really tedious if you sold so many items in the state of Washington. Location code 1500. Okay. All right, 3 more. 98115, 98115. 6851, 6851. Search. Location code 1726. 6. And lastly, 98038. 98038. 9760. 98038. Oh no, 6873. That doesn't make any sense. See, it tells me 6873. Search 1720 location code. All right, so we got all the location codes we need. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right, so we got all 10 location codes. Let's start with the eBay location code. Pay the taxes on that. Okay, okay. $1726. So okay, the location code was 06. Oh. All right, let me show the screen. All right, so location code. So this is the one we looked up. This is the one that went to eBay. Vancouver 0605 is the location code. We sold, so you want, the next information you want is how much you sold in that area. So 11.25. Okay. 21 cents is the tax due for that. But we're not done yet. We have 9 more locations to go through, right? So next one, let us put location code. So all the other location codes are for Amazon from now on, right? Location code is 3402, 3402. Okay. Is there a way I can just mass? Oh, I could. Okay. So we can just do this quickly. 3402, 1724. Yes, it's like, so yeah, you can just input everything. 1739. Some Mamish. 737. Shoreline. 602. Yes. Clark. 1500. 6851. No. 726. Seattle. 1720. Maple Valley. All right, cool. So we got all of that. I'm gonna click OK, and we'll see how it goes. Remove. Okay. Dang, it didn't input it. Wow. Anyways, oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. My goal is to finish this in an hour, so hopefully we do that on time. All right, so we have all the location codes, right? So you just got to put how much you sold in that area. So 0602 sold 17.95, and it shows the tax due 34 cents. Not bad. Clark 0666. We sold 17. Sold 23.95. 23.95. Cool. Let's go 1500. Where's 1500? 1500 is, which one is that? We only sold $10 in this area. Okay. So click check mark. 0602 check mark. 1720. We sold $30 in this area. Next. And once everything is all done, said and done, the difference should be at 0. So every city is accounted for. 6851. Oh, wrong one. 1726. Excuse me. 19.65. Okay, 1724. 1697. 1697. Okay. Next 1737. $17.39. We sold $29.99 here. $29.99. Okay, and two more. $34.02. Where's $34.02? We sold $8 here. $34.02, $8. Shoreline is $17.37. Where is it? Did I already put it in? Okay, sold 19. Yep, as you can see here, difference $19.95, and my notes tell me that the last amount for Shoreline is $19.95. Cool. So as you can see here, we input all the locations that it went. Washington State, retail sales, taxable amount, $187.71. That's how much went into the state. And we put all the different locations in, and the difference is at $0, so we're good to go. Now we're just gonna click next and move on to the next one. Cool. Next. Okay. So I click next. There's moment of truth. This is how much we're paying in taxes Q3. City, state, Washington state tax. Wonderful. So let me show you. So retail sales 4409, out of state. In-state was $100-something, right? So here, right here, total tax 3903, less credits 2166, total amount 1737. So this is how much we are paying in taxes for the state of Washington, $17.37. So I just got to put my name, phone number, all the other information, and click next. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. That's how you pay your state tax. So I'm going to click next, and that's how much we're going to pay, $17.37. Wonderful. So I'm going to pay that right now, and we're going to move on to Q4 once it is due in a few months. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, I'm not a tax professional. Again, I've been doing this for 4 quarters now since I started selling last year. This is for the state of Washington. If you have any questions, call your Department of Revenue. They have a website. Just click Department of Revenue for your state. Call their phone number. They can help you more specifically. This is how we do it for the state of Washington. I sell on Amazon, eBay. $17.37 due for taxes. Cool. Thanks for joining me. Any questions, let me know. $17.37. That's how much we're paying in taxes. State of Washington, you know how it is. Hustle mode on. See you later. Take care.